Motorcycle accidents often result in life-altering injuries. As an emergency medicine physician, I cannot tell you how many motorcycle crashes we saw, especially this time of year in the summer when everyone wants to get out while it's warm and ride. But there's a reason that organ transplant surgeons often refer to motorcycles as donor cycles. It's because the best organ transplant givers are those on motorcycles. These crashes often involve brain injuries, various head injuries, and neck injuries, and the rest of the body is many times fine. That makes for the perfect organ donor, thus the somewhat crass saying amongst transplant surgeons of donor cycles. The number of traumatic brain injuries, cervical spine fractures, and paralysis that they've seen as a result of these crashes is probably unmatched. Now hold on. There's this major stigma around motorcycle riders, scooter riders, and the such, that they're either not allowed on the road or they shouldn't be doing what they are on the road. And that simply is not actually the truth. Most of the crashes that I witnessed over the years were a motorcyclist or a scooter rider acting responsibly and someone around them not paying attention. Let's face it, motorcycles are hard to see. When a single motorcycle is coming down a lane, it's often difficult to pick up. It blends in perfectly with the line of traffic or the grooves even on the pavement. Same with scooters that are traveling along sidewalks. For so many years, we didn't see these, either in bicycle lanes or sidewalks or even riding lanes along the road. And now we're surprised when they pop out. That doesn't make their actions reckless. It's just something new that drivers on the road have to be aware of. When these crashes occur, the results are devastating. Here's what I recommend. First of all, if you're a motorcyclist, always wear a helmet. I know it feels good to let that air hit your head and your face. I ride a motorcycle. I understand. Wear a helmet. Second, try to wear something with bright colors. You'll see these jackets that have a bright green or an orange or a pink color. They don't look goofy. They help you stand out when you're riding along and someone may pull out in front of you and not see you. And if you're a driver of an automobile, I know you appreciate that. You're not trying to hurt someone. You appreciate being able to see them. And these things help. Also, always ride with your lights on. If you have a motorcycle where they come on automatically, great. If you don't, make sure that you turn the light on. Make that effort. Even in the daylight, it stands out and it helps you. Most of these crashes occur when a car pulls out in front of a motorcycle and there's just nowhere to go. Sometimes they occur when a motorcycle crosses through an intersection and someone's making a turn and just didn't anticipate it. These are the two most common scenarios where we see these crashes, where we see these life-altering injuries. If you've been involved in any sort of motorcycle crash, and you need help, please contact us. I'm Dr. Joseph Ramos. I'm a medical doctor and an attorney. I understand the severity and the critical nature of these injuries and how to make sure they're best cared for. I also understand what motorcycle riders go through, as well as automobiles who are on the road. Again, this is what I do. If we can be of help, please contact us.